Okay, perfect. Well, that's all that matters, right? There you go. There's lunch for tomorrow. Gag you with the chicken scraping the iron pan. Listen, I'm new to this whole ASMR thing, okay? Can you really blame me? I'm new to the ASMR, all right? I'm a new ASMR artist. Laughing is way better than ASMR. Whew, I almost sold your dinner to the highest bidder in chat.
You should have. I was in the middle of a presentation.
What? What kind of presentation? Huh?
Yes.
Oh. All right. Oh, I need to preheat the oven again. And then we're gonna slice and dice, baby. When's the new ASMR video dropping? Right after I learn how to edit videos. Boom. Oh. I'm making biscotti. Should I dip it in chocolate or no? Have you had biscotti before? Do you like it dipped in chocolate or no? Yeah. Oh God. It broke off. A piece. Ooh, these are thick. Too committed to the grind. Mmm. Mmm. Just scream at the top of your lungs and end stream. I'd have to do it on my ult. I can't decide. It's really good. Almondy, lightly sweet.